welcome to this practice. Today is a restorative practice. So grab yourself some props. If you have any yoga blocks, they will come in useful. If you don't have any blocks, then you could use like a dictionary, some kind of sturdy book or Tupperware. Also maybe a bolster if you have one. If not, some cushions or pillows from your bed will do just fine. So you might want to pause, go ahead, grab what you need, and then we'll start in a comfortable seat. We're going to start with our breathing practice. So it's called Chandra Badana, which means moon breath. It's very, very simple. You just take your right hand, you're going to cover your right nostril with your thumb, breathe in through the left, and then you're going to cover the left nostril with your ring finger and breathe out through the right, and we'll just continue that way, in through the left, out through the right. I'll talk you through a couple of rounds and then I'll just allow you to continue at your own pace. So you might want to close your eyes for this or soften your gaze. So we're going to close the right nostril, breathe in through the left. Close left, exhale right. Close right, inhale left. Close left, exhale right. Close right, inhale left. Close left, exhale right. Just continue for 5 or so more breaths. Make this your last round of breath. And then when you finish, just allow your breath to return to normal, just breathing in and out through the nose. Notice how you feel. It's a really great breath to use just to help you to drift off to sleep at night. It's one that I regularly use. It's really calming and soothing. It really stimulates the parasympathetic nervous system, so that's our rest and digest response. That's where we're really looking to be when we're wanting to relax or wanting to sleep. You can open your eyes whenever you're ready to. So we're only actually going to be doing one pose today. We're going to do it 2 different ways. We're going to do it reclined and as a forward fold. I will give you options in case it doesn't work for your body. So we'll come to the forward fold first. So I want you just to sit on the ground, bring the feet out in front of you and bring the feet to touch. So the knees are bent out to the side like a butterfly. And then from here we fold forwards. But this is where you might want some props. So you could just place some pillows in front of you, pile them all up. So grab everything that you need, and as you're ready, you're just going to sit up nice and tall and then hinge forwards. You can soften the body, allow it to round, just resting wherever you naturally come down to. There's no need to try and force your body in any way. This is restorative, so we want to be able to fully relax into the pose, which is why we want to be supported as much as possible. So grab as many props as you need. I quite like it to be really high in front of me, so I'm just going to stack some blocks here. There we are. So that I can come forwards and rest onto my bolster. And then once you're in the pose, the idea is that you can fully relax into it. Just close down your eyes. You won't need to fidget. So if you don't feel like you're able to fully relax, then just change and adapt the pose as you need to. So if this doesn't work for you, this shape in the leg, maybe it causes your knees issues or something like that, you could take just a regular forward fold, so with the legs out in front. Same thing, just pile up some pillows, get yourself really comfortable, soften the body forwards. You can absolutely keep the knees bent. Maybe you place a pillow underneath the knees to support them. Just see what really works with your body. So restorative yoga does take a little bit of practice to kind of get to know your body and what kind of support you need. So come back to this one as often as you need to. Don't worry if you can't quite get comfortable this time. Try it again. So there's nothing to do here other than to breathe. So it's really nice to make the exhale longer because that really soothes and calms us. So maybe try that 4-6 breathing that we did at the start of the week. Breathe in for a count of 4, out for a count of 6, or maybe even 8. As you're ready to, just start to very slowly lift the body back up. If you're in this butterfly shape, maybe it'll feel nice just to extend the legs out, maybe give them a gentle sway side to side, maybe circle the ankles. And we're going to take that shape again, but this time we're going to be lying down. You absolutely can just lie down and do it, but I want you to feel supported so that you're able to relax. One way I quite like to do it is by stacking some blocks. Remember, you can always use books or Tupperware or something if you don't have any yoga blocks. And then stack your cushions, pillows, your bolster, whatever you have, just to make this sort of slant. And then you're going to bring your bottom right up to the base, bring the soles of the feet together again, and just use your hands to gently lower yourself back. Just making sure that your support is really sturdy, it's not going to give way on you or anything. And then relax the arms down. And again, you can support your body wherever it needs it. Maybe you need something to support the legs, maybe you want to support the arms, the back of the head. It can even be nice to just put something over the eyes, just help you to relax. And again, if this shape with the legs does not work for you, then you could just bring the soles of the feet to the ground with the knees bent. Maybe take the feet out a little bit wider and allow the knees to drop together so you can fully relax. Just a case of seeing what works for you. And then we're just going to spend a couple of minutes here, just relaxing and breathing. Again, see if you can lengthen that exhale. It's just going to really help you to soften and relax. So we're about to come to our meditation. If this pose is comfortable for you and you'd like to stay here, I absolutely encourage you to stay here if that's where you're comfortable. Otherwise, I'd like you to do your meditation lying down today. So in which case, you could either stay exactly where you are or just move all your props off to the side and take a comfortable lying position on the ground. Now that's whatever is comfortable to you. We're all completely different. So it might feel nice to support the knees and come to lie on your back. It might feel better for you to lie on your front or even your side. So just really think about what makes you the most comfortable. Usually it's our sleeping position that we kind of have a default to. So just get yourself settled. Close down your eyes. Allow your body to settle into stillness. Place your hands onto your heart, feeling the warmth and the rhythm of your heartbeat. Take a breath in through your nose, filling your lungs completely. And exhale slowly through your mouth, releasing any remaining tension from your body. Now bring your awareness inwards. With each inhale, invite in a sense of calm and gratitude. And with each exhale, let go of any negativity or stress you may be holding on to. Now, as you settle deeper into this space of reflection, silently repeat this affirmation. I am grateful for my journey and the strength within me. Feel the resonance of these words in your heart. With each breath in, feel gratitude expanding within you. And with each breath out, release any doubts or worries. Bringing your awareness back to the present moment, just start to gently wiggle your fingers and toes. When you feel ready, softly open your eyes, maintaining this sense of gratitude as you transition back into your day. Carry this energy with you, remembering that you are strong, capable, and deserving of all good things.